What if I told you that one simple salad could revolutionize your bedroom performance without any pills, prescriptions, or procedures? What if the answer to stronger, more reliable erections was sitting right there in your produce aisle? Hi, I'm Dr. Eva Danielle, a urology and men's health expert. I help men improve performance, protect their prostate, and feel their best at any age. Today, I'm going to share with you my scientifically formulated erection rocket salad. This isn't just another health fad. This is medicine on a plate, backed by real clinical research and designed to target the root causes of erectile dysfunction. Here's the truth that most men don't realize. Erectile function is fundamentally about blood flow. When your blood vessels can't dilate properly or deliver adequate circulation to erectile tissue, that's when problems begin. But here's the exciting part. We can actually improve this through targeted nutrition. This erection rocket salad is packed with nitrates that boost nitric oxide production, antioxidants that protect against vascular damage, flavonoids that improve blood vessel function, and essential minerals that optimize hormone production. Every single ingredient has been chosen based on peer-reviewed research showing its benefits for male sexual health. Let me take you through this recipe step by step, and I'll explain exactly why each component is so powerful for your erections. We start with the foundation, the nitrate powerhouse. First, you'll need 3 to 4 cups of fresh organic arugula. Arugula, also called rocket, contains some of the highest nitrate concentrations of any leafy green. In fact, it has more nitrates than beetroot, which has long been considered the gold standard. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that dietary nitrates from leafy greens increased plasma nitrite levels by over 200% within just 2 hours of consumption. These nitrates get converted to nitric oxide in your body, leading to vasodilation and dramatically improved blood flow. Next, add 2 cups of baby spinach. Spinach provides additional nitrates, plus significant magnesium content. A clinical trial in the European Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that spinach consumption increased nitric oxide bioavailability by 42% compared to control groups. Magnesium is absolutely crucial for smooth muscle relaxation in your blood vessels and helps reduce arterial calcification that can block circulation. Now we move to what I call the antioxidant arsenal. Take 2 cups of fresh watermelon, cubed and chilled. Watermelon is nature's source of L-citrulline, an amino acid that serves as a direct precursor to nitric oxide. Here's where the research gets really exciting. A randomized controlled trial published in Urology found that men taking L-citrulline supplements experienced a 50% improvement in erection hardness scores compared to placebo. Another study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that citrulline supplementation improved erectile function in 24 men with mild erectile dysfunction, with participants reporting harder erections and increased satisfaction. The lycopene in watermelon also provides powerful antioxidant protection. Research in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men with higher lycopene levels had significantly better erectile function and fewer sexual health complaints. Add 1 cup of fresh blueberries. The anthocyanins in blueberries, those compounds that give them their deep blue color, are potent flavonoids. This is backed by substantial research. A study of over 25,000 men published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that those consuming diets highest in flavonoids had a 14% lower risk of erectile dysfunction. The study specifically highlighted anthocyanins from berries as being particularly protective. For protein and mineral support, we need fresh grated Parmesan cheese, about half a cup to 1 cup. Beyond adding incredible flavor, Parmesan provides high-quality protein and vitamin B12, both essential for neurological function and energy metabolism. The protein content helps stabilize blood sugar and provides building blocks for neurotransmitter production, including dopamine, which plays a crucial role in sexual desire and arousal. Here's where it gets really interesting from a urologist's perspective. Add half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, preferably organic. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly rich in zinc, a mineral that's concentrated in the prostate gland and essential for testosterone production. The research on pumpkin seeds is impressive. A study in Nutrition Research and Practice found that pumpkin seed oil supplementation significantly improved prostate symptoms and quality of life in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia. Another clinical trial showed that men consuming pumpkin seeds daily had measurably higher testosterone levels and improved sperm quality compared to controls. From my clinical experience, I often see zinc deficiency in men with both prostate issues and sexual dysfunction. A study in the Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences confirmed that zinc deficiency is directly linked to reduced testosterone production and erectile dysfunction. Getting zinc from whole food sources like pumpkin seeds is far better than supplementation because it provides superior absorption without creating dangerous mineral imbalances. For the dressing, choose a high-quality balsamic vinaigrette made with extra virgin olive oil rather than inflammatory seed oils. The Mediterranean diet pattern, rich in olive oil, has been consistently associated with better erectile function and cardiovascular health. A landmark study in the International Journal of Impotence Research followed 600 men and found that those following a Mediterranean diet had a 40% lower risk of erectile dysfunction. The researchers specifically attributed this to the high content of olive oil, nuts, and antioxidant-rich foods. Look for dressings with minimal, recognizable ingredients: olive oil, balsamic vinegar, herbs, and perhaps a touch of honey for sweetness. Avoid anything with canola oil, soybean oil, or excessive preservatives. Here's how to assemble your erection rocket salad. First, wash and thoroughly dry your arugula and spinach. Moisture is the enemy of a great salad. Make sure your watermelon is chilled and cut into bite-sized cubes. The contrast between cold, sweet watermelon and peppery arugula is absolutely exceptional. Grate your Parmesan fresh. Pre-grated cheese simply doesn't compare in terms of taste and nutritional value. Combine everything together and dress lightly. You want to taste all the individual components working together. This salad pairs beautifully with lean protein sources that further support sexual health. Wild-caught salmon is perfect. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both crucial for hormone production and vascular health. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that men with higher omega-3 levels had significantly higher testosterone and better sexual function. Simply season with salt, pepper, and herbs, then broil for 10 to 12 minutes. Pasture-raised eggs are another excellent option, whether soft-boiled, poached, or gently pan-fried. Research in the Asian Journal of Andrology found that men consuming more eggs had higher testosterone levels and better erectile function scores. Now, here's what makes this approach so powerful from a medical standpoint. Before starting any nutritional intervention, I recommend getting baseline measurements. Test your nitric oxide levels using salivary test strips. Check your testosterone levels, vitamin D status, and get a basic metabolic panel. After incorporating the erection rocket salad into your routine for 4 to 6 weeks, retest your nitric oxide levels. Clinical studies show that dietary interventions can increase nitric oxide production by up to 300% when the pathway is functioning properly. If you don't see improvement, we may need to address gut health or oral microbiome issues that can interfere with nitrate conversion to nitric oxide. The beauty of this salad is that it addresses multiple pathways simultaneously. The nitrates provide immediate vascular support through the nitric oxide pathway, which research shows can improve blood flow within hours. The antioxidants offer long-term cellular protection. Studies demonstrate that antioxidant-rich diets reduce oxidative stress markers by up to 50% over 12 weeks. The essential minerals support optimal hormonal function, with clinical trials showing zinc and magnesium supplementation can increase testosterone by 20 to 30% in deficient men. This isn't a quick fix. It's part of a comprehensive lifestyle approach to maintaining sexual health throughout your lifetime. A 10-year longitudinal study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who maintained diets high in nitrates, antioxidants, and healthy fats had the lowest rates of age-related erectile dysfunction. Remember, sexual health is multifaceted. Diet is crucial, but it works alongside regular exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, and addressing any underlying medical conditions. From my clinical experience, men who adopt this comprehensive approach see the most dramatic and lasting results. What's particularly exciting is that every nutritional choice that supports cardiovascular health is a direct investment in your sexual future. The Framingham Heart study definitively showed that the same blood vessels that feed your heart also supply your sexual organs. So this salad is literally medicine for your entire vascular system. The combination of immediate nitric oxide support, powerful antioxidant protection, and hormone-optimizing minerals makes this more than just a meal. It's a targeted therapeutic intervention that you can enjoy every single day. Start making the Erection Rocket salad your go-to lunch or dinner option. Clinical evidence suggests you may notice improvements in energy and circulation within the first week, with more significant changes in sexual function appearing after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent consumption. But if you want to supercharge the nitric oxide boost, I recommend adding a watermelon extract supplement rich in L-citrulline. It delivers a concentrated dose of the same compound found in watermelon without eating huge amounts every day. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment with details on how it works and why I recommend it to my patients. This is how we address erectile dysfunction at its source, naturally, safely, and deliciously, with the full backing of peer-reviewed medical research. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and optimize itself when given the right nutritional tools. By making small, consistent changes like incorporating this powerful salad into your weekly routine, you're not just improving your sexual health. You're investing in your overall vitality, longevity, and quality of life. The choice is yours, and it starts with what you put on your plate. Take control of your health today, one delicious bite at a time, and experience the transformation that proper nutrition can bring to every aspect of your life.